Yo, man. Y'all already know who it is. This your boy 84 Cuddy, man, aka Built on a Budget Junior. That's right, man. Hey, if you haven't already, please make sure y'all hit that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all post notification bells. Yup, back outside, man. Hey, so what we about to work on right now is trying to get this glove compartment fixed. Yes, sir. So let's get into it. Let's go.
Sparrow, cause I know he flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding in the beat.
Alright, so y'all saw in the previous video, I was trying to get it fixed the first time, couldn't get it fixed. So if I can't get it fixed this time, I'm about to call on straight up. But what I did this time, I unloose it. So we gonna see if that works. Alright, let's rock out.
Tip sun dark, you can't see the seats. A swap Cutlass, I call a Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily turn my car Sparrow on a damn move again.
Alright, so what I was doing was I was getting that ring back in there that goes on there. Alright, so remember I said before that, hold up, let me make sure y'all see the teeth. Y'all see the teeth on it. We gotta make sure all that is down, especially this one. Alright, so how we do that is, hold on, let me grab my key. We're gonna do it with the key. I think that's how I did it last time. And then I think I pushed it down, like something like that. Hold up. No, I pushed it down first, then I put the key in. Yeah, that's how I did it. Alright, I pushed it down first, then I pushed the key in. So let me turn it sideways. Alright, you see they out? Pushed it down and put the key in. All on, man. Let's go.
Cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding in the beat. Tip sun dark, you can't see the seats.
Alright, now we're gonna try to use our paper clip. See if we can push in this hole to push that silver part down again, because I took the key out. Alright, let's see. Cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding in the beat. Tip sun dark, you can't see the seats. They'll swap colors. Man, the thing ain't even been locked in the hole. Ain't even been locked in, yo. I thought it was locked in. Try again. Why it ain't locked in?
I call a Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily turn my car Sparrow on the damn move again. I call my Sparrow cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding in the beat. Tip sun dark, you can't see the seats. They'll swap colors. I call a Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily turn my car Sparrow on the damn move again. I call a Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily turn my car Sparrow on the damn move again. I call my Sparrow cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we riding in the beat. Tip sun dark, you can't see the seats. A swap Cutlass. I call a Sparrow, that's for sure. Daily turn my car Sparrow on the damn move.
Man, I'm about to try something, man. Alright, cut y'all back on. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So what I kind of figured out, right? What I think I figured out. I think I figured it out. So, remember this ring right here that I kept putting on, y'all know what I'm saying. This ring right here that I kept putting on, right? This is what holds this in. Once you see that piece right there, that silver piece. That silver piece locks in behind this right here, so that's what holds it in. That's why it kept falling out, because this right here wasn't all the way down in. See, like I got it down in there now. You know what I mean? I'm gonna give it a little bit more taps. Make sure it's down in there, so we can get back to work. Alright? See it? They get it. See that hole right there that I was talking about? That's the hole right there. Matter of fact, let me show y'all. Let me give y'all a little visual. Alright. Alright, y'all, visual. So this is the piece right here that I was talking about. Y'all see the hole on it? Alright. Y'all see it? So it has a hole on the top right there, and it has a hole on the side. But you don't really got to worry about the side. We're worrying about the top. So, alright. This is your locking mechanism. Your locking cylinder, whatever you want to call it, your lock. Alright, you got your teeth on there. You see your teeth? You got 4 gold and 1 silver. Alright? See that? Bet. So what you want to do is, like I said, you want to make sure this silver one is down when you make all of these right here go down. So we about to do that right now. Let me show you. Alright? So I'm going to take my key, a glove compartment key, which is the trunk key. Alright? So you see my teeth is up. So what I want to do is I want to mash this silver one down before I push the key in there. Alright? So we got that mashed down. And then I'm going to push the key in, and you can see how the rest of them fall. Alright? There you go. So we got them in there flat. Alright? On both sides, it's flat. Alright? So, like I said, you want to put that. So what you're going to do is, you're going to insert it just like this. Key straight up. Alright? The same tab that you push down, that's how you're going to put it in, just like that. Alright, so you can push it in. Alright, you're going to go in. Probably dang messed it up when I started tapping it. Yep. Think I messed it up when I tapped it. We about to make it. Don't worry about it. We're going to make it work. We're going to make it work. Y'all bear with me. Y'all bear with me. Oh. Hold up, y'all. I'll be back. Alright, y'all. I'm back. Hey, don't do like I did. When I was tapping on it, man, I bent it. So it was hard for this right here to slide in. You know what I mean? But we back. So, like I said, you want to make sure all your pins are down. You push the silver one down before you push the key in. You know what I mean? And then every one of them be flat. So then this is on the you're putting on the glove compartment. You're already putting it back on the glove compartment. Alright, so you want to stick it in just like that right there. Alright, you hear that click. So what you want to do is, now you can take your key out. Alright, so it's locked. You know what I mean? It ain't coming off. It's locked in. Just like a regular. Work just like how it regularly work. Let me show you. Turn. You know what I mean? Leave it unlocked. See? There we is. So I'm gonna have to take it back off and put it back on the glove compartment. Let go. Alright. So we're gonna take it back off. Take it back off the same way you put it on. Push that silver piece down before you put the key in. And make sure y'all in the camera. So we push our silver piece down. Put the key in it. Hold up, y'all. Kinda hard to do it with one hand. Alright, put some of these down. Shoot, I can't even see. So these I can keep. Man, y'all get it. I got it. Got it in now. Alright. Oh, yeah, got it in, but I ain't pushed the pin down. Alright, y'all. I push the pin down, and then you just pull it up. I'm gonna put some oil on this right quick, man, cause it ain't sliding like it's supposed to, cause I bent it. So be careful. Alright, y'all, be back. We got it all greased up now, so we can put it back on. Alright, so I have to take it back off right quick. I got it all greased up. I had to put some grease on it, man. Alright, y'all, we got it apart. So like I said, you just want to push your pin down in this hole. Oh, my hand in the way, my bad. You want to push your pin down in this hole right here, which, you see it go through the middle, which is going to push this silver pin down. Alright? That's how you take it off, and then basically that's how you put it back on too. But nobody never shows y'all this in the video. So, cause I couldn't find a video today. Everybody keeps showing you how to take it off, but they don't ever show you exactly how to put it back on. So, alright, we're gonna attach this back. Like I said, make sure your pins is down. You know what I mean? Pins down. See, you can, hold on, let me get y'all a little closer. Let me get y'all a little closer. Let me see if I can get y'all a little closer. Alright, I hope that close enough without y'all being in my way. Alright, so like I say, pins down, you can go straight in just like that. Just like this. Alright. So you see it right there. Like I said, yours might go on easier. I messed mine up, so don't mess that hole up like I did mine bamming on it. Alright. So you got that in there. Just like that. Alright. See, we in there. Make sure we in. Push it, give it a little tug. I say tug, push. Make sure you're in there. And you should be able to take the key out, I think. Maybe I should tighten it first. But we're going on now. Hot dog. But always on. Especially when you're trying to give a demonstration. Now I can't get the key out, y'all. Lord. Alright. There we go. So now it's locked in. Alright. So all you gotta do is put the screws back in. What did I do with my screws? I think I left them down here on the floor. There go one, there go two. 7mm. You know what I mean? Tighten them down. Alright, just like that. Let's give it a test. Close. Oh, I locked it. Fuck that, I unlocked my key now. There you go. I might gotta put some more grease on it. See, it ain't coming back up. done been messing with it so much I done dry it up. I'm put some more grease on that, but y'all get it. See it? Yes, sir. Yeah, I gotta put some grease on that, but we good to go. Yup. And that's how you fix your GM glove box lock. Whether you're replacing it, fixing it, whatever. But that's how you fix it. Let's get it. Now it's time to tackle this mess right here. Stay locked.
So I daily drive my car sparrow on a damn move again.